Police responded to a report of a business disturbance related to a possibly mentally ill person. The caller said a man got behind the counter of the restaurant and refused to leave.
911, what is your emergency?
He just walked back here like if he works here with us, trying to kick people out. He's screaming at us.
Does he look like he's intoxicated, or does he look like he has mental health
Maybe
problems?
he's like high or something.
The suspect was later identified as 34-year-old Albert Cota.
Hey, what's up, big dog? No, you're okay. Just keep your hands out of your pockets. Come here. Dude, come here.
Bro.
Stop.
I'm telling you slowly, bro. Chill.
Hey.
Chill. Chill.
Hey.
Oh, hey, chill.
Relax.
Let me
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I said chill. Please. Chill.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, hey, chill.
Relax.
Let me
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I said chill. Please. Chill.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey. Give me the patch.
Paramedics transported him to a hospital for medical treatment, and a Glock 17 air pistol was booked as evidence.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.